This is Nokia 5.1 Plus Android 1 phone. As you can see, this box and packing of it. It has 5.8 inch display and screen ratio of 9.9 HD plus display. It has dual camera of 13 MP and 5 MP and 8 MP of front camera, which gives you high quality pictures. Advanced AI imaging, dual side mode. Now we are going to unbox it. Let's see what's inside the box. Oh, as you can see, the packing is not so good, but phone packing is quite satisfying. This is Nokia's badging and introduction of Android 1, but it is about. This is another Nokia's badging on front side. Now let's remove this tape. Wow. There is glass surface on backside. This is fingerprint sensor. This is dual camera. This one is 13 MP and this could be 5 MP. This is flash, which gives you high quality images in dark light. This is SIM slot. There is another front camera. This is speaker. There is mic. This is C type charging jack. This is another speaker which used for music purpose. Oh, phone is so soft to carry in hand. It looks amazing. Let's now start it. Wow. This is the 19:9 screen. Look at that Nokia badging. We have started the phone. Now let's check what's else in the box. This is pin to open your SIM slot. This is booklet for user guide. This one is its charger. Generally it has 6 months of warranty. Charger also looks so good. There is information of charger. This probably detachable. This is C-type, USB-C type detachable, which gives it fast charging. This is advanced technology. This one is headphone. Headphone is not so good because I prefer to use in-ear headphones. These are so uncomfortable for your ears. Sometimes it gives you little pain while using for so long.